Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create and post Instagram grid photos like this. To make an Instagram grid like I've shown, the first thing we need is a square image. The reason for this is the Instagram grid is square. For this reason, I'll be choosing 1080 by 1080 as my single image size. And this size also happens to be one of the popular Instagram image sizes. Next, we need to calculate what size should be our grid image. To do that, first choose the grid look. For this tutorial, I'll be using a 2x3 grid. Now to calculate the grid image size, we need to add each single image size. Since I've chosen my grid as 2x3 and my single image size as 1080 by 1080, my grid image height will be 1080 into 2, which is 2160. And my width will be 1080 into 3, which is 3240. Once you have done with the calculation, open the GIMP image editor and click on File. Next, click on New. Next, enter the image size. In my case, width will be 3240 and my height will be 2160. Next, click on Advanced option. Next, set the option Fill Width to transparency and then click OK. Next, go to Image and then click on Guides. Next, select the option New Guide. Next, set the direction as vertical and position value to 1080. Next, click on OK. Now repeat the same process, but this time change the position value to 2160. Again, repeat the same process as earlier, but this time set the direction to horizontal and change the position value to 1080. After setting up the guides, drag and drop an image and adjust the position as you want. Next, go to Image and click on Slice using Guides, which will create 6 different images with the size 1080 by 1080. Next, export the images in reverse order. To make it easy for you guys, I have numbered them, so just follow the order. Next, transfer the images to your phone and upload the images one by one, starting from 1. Once you have uploaded all your images, your Instagram grid should look something like this. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next one.